The advancements made in technology make our daily lives easier and more comfortable. The market is now flooded with gadgets, each one better than the last. We have rounded up some of the coolest and most innovative gadgets that are worth seeing. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home or office, entertain your kids, or streamline your workflow, there is a gadget on this list that will fit your needs. So let's dive in and explore the features and benefits of these amazing gadgets. 𝗬𝗏 Pro. This is the world's smartest window cleaner, which can clean your windows with minimal effort. This state-of-the-art device is equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence technology that allows it to clean your windows with efficiency and precision. It measures 10 inches in height and 6 inches in width and weighs only 1.5 pounds. The 𝗬𝗏 Pro is built with a high-speed motor that can rotate at up to 2,500 RPM, producing a powerful suction force that keeps it firmly attached to the glass surface. It also features a 4-watt motor that is capable of cleaning a square meter per every 4 minutes. This innovative product is made by 𝗬𝗏, a company that has been at the forefront of window cleaning technology for several years. The 𝗬𝗏 Pro has been designed to provide a safe, efficient, and effortless way to clean your windows. 𝗏𝗏𝗏. 𝗏𝗏𝗏 is a magnetic play space designed to let children unleash their creativity and imagination. The product features magnetic pieces that children can use to build and create their own imaginative structures and shapes, promoting cognitive development and hand-eye coordination. This product is crafted with high-quality materials that ensure its durability and long-lasting use. The 𝗏𝗏𝗏 play space measures 30 inches in length, 20 inches in width, and 10 inches in height, and weighs only 5 pounds. With 𝗏𝗏𝗏, children can explore and engage in endless imaginative play, all while strengthening their fine motor skills and having fun. It is the perfect play space for kids to unleash their creativity and let their minds run free. With its high-quality construction and endless possibilities, 𝗏𝗏𝗏 is sure to provide hours of entertainment and enjoyment for children. Magic Pencil. Magic Pencil is a powerful pocket-sized spectrometer that can take the place of your fitness trackers, moisture sensors, food and soil analyzers, and various other types of gear and provide you with real-time insights based on the physical stimuli you expose it to. It is an essential tool for those seeking simple answers to previously challenging questions thanks to its powerful capabilities. The Magic Pencil is equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence technology. It also has a high-speed processor that can perform over 1,000 calculations per second, and it is powered by a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 10 hours. This compact device measures only 5 inches in length and weighs less than 2 ounces, making it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. Mount. Mount is a smart digital frame for anyone who loves photos. This device features a sleek and stylish design with a 10-inch high-resolution touchscreen display that is perfect for showcasing your favorite memories. It measures 12 inches in length, 8 inches in width, and only weighs 2 pounds. The Mount digital frame is equipped with advanced software that allows you to upload and organize your photos from your phone or computer. It also features a motion sensor that automatically turns on the display when you enter the room. It is powered by a high-capacity rechargeable battery that can last up to 8 hours on a single charge. Whether you want to display your wedding photos, family portraits, or travel snapshots, the Mount digital frame is a must-have device for anyone who wants to showcase and share their favorite photos with family and friends. 𝗏𝗏𝗏 LPH Max. 𝗏𝗏𝗏 LPH Max is a 4-in-1 automated hydroponic system designed for growing fresh and healthy plants in the comfort of your own home. This innovative product is built with high-quality materials that ensure its durability and long-lasting use. It measures 18 inches in length, 12 inches in width, and 24 inches in height and weighs only 10 pounds. The 𝗏𝗏𝗃 hydroponic system is equipped with an advanced LED lighting system that provides the perfect spectrum of light for plant growth. It also features a self-watering system that ensures your plants receive the right amount of water and nutrients. The 𝗏𝗏𝗃 hydroponic system is powered by a 40-watt motor and can operate at a speed of up to 60 revolutions per minute. 𝗏𝗏 is made by a company that has been at the forefront of hydroponic technology for many years, providing safe and efficient solutions for indoor gardening. With 𝗏𝗏𝗃, you can grow your own fresh vegetables, herbs, and flowers, all while promoting sustainable living and reducing your environmental footprint. This automated hydroponic system is the perfect addition to any home or office, providing fresh and healthy produce year-round. 𝗵𝗲𝗁 by 𝗵𝗏𝗺. 𝗵𝗲𝗁 by 𝗵𝗏𝗺 is a revolutionary computer within a keyboard, making it a space-saving solution for those who want a powerful and functional computer without taking up too much desk space. This innovative device features a full-size keyboard with built-in computer components including a powerful Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB RAM, and a 256GB solid-state drive. 𝗵𝗲𝗁 by 𝗵𝗏𝗺 is designed to be compact and lightweight, measuring only 16.2 by 5.5 by 1.2 inches and weighing just 2.9 pounds. It is also energy efficient, consuming only 10 watts of power. The company behind 𝗵𝗲𝗁, 𝗵𝗏𝗺, has a long history of producing innovative and high-quality computer solutions. With 𝗵𝗲𝗁, they have created a product that is perfect for home offices, small businesses, and anyone who wants a computer that is both powerful and space-saving. 𝗬𝗏𝗁. 𝗬𝗏𝗁 is an all-in-one pocket touchpad designed to be a space-saving solution for people who want a portable device that can replace several other gadgets. This innovative device features a touch-sensitive screen that allows users to type, draw, and navigate with ease, as well as a powerful processor along with a variety of connectivity options. Measuring only 6.1 by 3.1 inches and weighing just 0.5 pounds, 𝗬𝗏𝗁 is small and lightweight enough to fit in a pocket. It is also energy efficient and consumes only 5 watts of power. With its sleek and functional design, it is perfect for people who need a versatile device that can help them stay connected and productive on the go. Whether you need to work, play, or communicate, 𝗬𝗏𝗁 has you covered. The company behind 𝗬𝗏𝗁 is dedicated to creating cutting-edge technology and has a long history of producing innovative and high-quality products, and 𝗬𝗏𝗁 is no exception. 𝗓𝗏𝗁. 𝗓𝗏𝗁 is the world's first smart desk organizer designed to declutter and optimize your workspace. With its innovative features and sleek design, this space-saving solution can maximize both your productivity and organization. Measuring 18.5 by 8.3 by 2.2 inches and weighing only 3.3 pounds, 𝗓𝗏𝗁 is compact and lightweight, making it easy to move and store. It also comes with a companion app that allows you to control the features and settings of the device. With its USB-C port, it can charge up to 10 watts, while its wireless charger can deliver up to 7.5 watts. 𝗓𝗏𝗁's intelligent filing system is designed to automatically sort your documents so you can easily find what you need without wasting time. It also has a built-in Bluetooth speaker and microphone, allowing you to make hands-free calls and stream music while you work. 𝗥𝗡𝗵𝗿. 𝗥𝗡𝗵𝗿 is a groundbreaking technology that brings a new level of intelligence to paper. It allows users to create, share, and interact with digital content seamlessly and effortlessly. 𝗥𝗡𝗵𝗿 is a thin, flexible, and durable paper-like display that can be used in many different ways. It measures 8.5 by 11 inches and is only 0.3 millimeters thick, making it easy to carry and store. It is powered by ultra-low-power e-ink technology, which provides a clear and readable display even in direct sunlight. The company behind Next Paper is apparently revolutionizing the way people think about paper, transforming it from a static medium to an interactive one. Whether used for education, business, or personal use, Next Paper is the next step in the evolution of paper. 𝗬𝗏𝗁𝗏. 𝗬𝗏𝗁𝗏 is a revolutionary new product that transforms your ordinary sticky notes into a smart, connected tool. With 𝗬𝗏𝗁𝗏, you can turn your notes into reminders, to-do lists, and even shareable messages, all with just a simple tap. 𝗬𝗏𝗁𝗏 uses Bluetooth technology to connect with your smartphone, making it easy to keep track of your notes and ensure that you never forget an important idea. It's small and lightweight, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. The company behind 𝗬𝗏𝗁𝗏 is a startup based in California that aims to simplify people's lives with innovative technology. 𝗬𝗏𝗁𝗏 is compatible with both iOS and Android operating systems and can store up to 500 notes at a time. 𝗬𝗏. 𝗬𝗏 is the world's first wearable smart mouse that translates hand gestures into commands for your computer or other devices. The device connects via Bluetooth and is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android systems. It features a rechargeable battery that can last up to 7 days on a single charge and has a working range of up to 10 meters. 𝗬𝗏 is a lightweight device that can be worn on the hand like a glove. The device uses advanced motion sensors and machine learning algorithms to detect and interpret the user's hand movements. Its high-precision optical sensor allows for smooth and accurate tracking, while its low power consumption means it can last for hours on a single charge. The company behind 𝗬𝗏, 𝗬𝗏𝗁𝗏, is a tech startup dedicated to creating products that simplify people's lives. And with 𝗬𝗏, 𝗬𝗏𝗁𝗏 has replaced the need for bulky and cumbersome traditional mice and made our work more efficient. 𝗬𝗵𝗃𝗏. 𝗬𝗵𝗃𝗏 is a portable scanner that offers a new level of convenience and quality for scanning on the go. It is designed to be lightweight and compact, making it extremely portable. With a resolution of up to 600 dpi, it can accurately scan all types of documents and images with impressive details. 𝗬𝗵𝗃𝗏 works by using a high-resolution camera to capture the image, which is then processed and enhanced by the built-in software to ensure optimal quality. It also offers various scanning modes such as color, black and white, and grayscale. The device is rechargeable and has a long battery life, making it perfect for use in the office, at home, or even while traveling. The 𝗬𝗵𝗃𝗏 was developed by a team of experts at 𝗬𝗵Tech, a company known for producing high-quality technology solutions. If you like the video, check out this video: innovative construction workers and ideas that are on another level.